This is the darkest side of Forex trading. Have you ever heard of Forex trading? Yes. This has exploded over the last decade. It's often marketed as the golden ticket to financial freedom. Flashy ads shows trader working from beaches, sipping cocktails, or driving flashy cars. Social media is flooded with self-proclaimed gurus selling courses and secret strategies that promise to turn you into the next millionaire. And when you fall into this trap, you will never see their DP, or you will receive silent treatment. On the surface, it looks glamorous: chat dancing with candlesticks, stacks of cash on the desks, and motivational quotes about escaping the 9-to-5 grind. But here is the truth few will ever admit. Behind that polished face lies a brutal reality. Forex is a battlefield where the majority will lose, and only the disciplined, almost machine-like minority survive. The dark side of Forex isn't just financial. It cuts into your mental health, relationship, and overall life. Let's strip away the illusion and dive deep into what reality goes on. The psychological toll. Forex isn't just about technical analysis, trend lines, or understanding candlestick patterns. It's a psychological war. When you first start trading, the chart seems like a puzzle you can solve. You believe that if you just learn enough strategies, you will win consistently. But then, reality hits. Your emotion becomes your worst enemy. Greed whispers, hold the trade a little longer, you will make double profits. Fear screams, close it now before you lose everything. One small mistake, an extra lot size, a rushed trade, spiral into something bigger. This is called revenge trading. When traders desperately try to recover losses, often digging themselves into deeper holes. Sleep becomes a luxury. You stay up all night staring at charts, heart racing as the market moves against you. Traders have described waking up in the middle of the night just to check position, unable to rest. Over time, the stress takes a toll. Anxiety and depression creeps in, and the freedom you sought becomes a mental prison. Many ex-traders confess that market didn't just take their money, it took their peace of mind. The addiction factor. Here is something few will admit. Forex is gambling in disguise. The rush of winning a trade feels exactly like a jackpot at a casino. Dopamine spikes when you are in profit. That thrill hooks you, and just like any addiction, you start chasing the high. At first, it seems harmless. You are practicing, but before long, Forex consumes your life. Every conversation somehow drifts back to trading. Family dinners are cut short because you need to check the markets. Even vacations aren't safe. The charts comes with you. The sad part, some traders trade not because they love markets, but because they crave the thrill. It stops being about profit and becomes about the feeling. And like all addictions, it leads to destruction, lost money, strained relationships, and a sense of emptiness. This is the bitter truth. Over 90% of retail forex traders lose money. Yes, you heard that right. The odds are staked against you from the start. Brokers make their money whether you win or lose. And they know most will fail. The marketing around forex creates the illusion that it's easy. Turn $100 into $10,000 in 1 month. But in reality, most traders blow multiple accounts before they even begin to understand risk management. For some, that means burning through life savings. For others, it means maxing out credits, borrowing money just to keep trading. Even worse, there is an entire ecosystem built on exploiting beginners. Mentors sell overpriced courses and signal groups, claiming to have secret strategies that guarantee wins. But here is the kicker. Many of these gurus make far more money from selling dreams than from actual trading. They flaunt renting cars, fake screenshots, and luxury lifestyle, all paid by their student fees. At the end of the day, the majority of traders leave forex poorer, not just financially, but emotionally too. Scroll through Instagram or TikTok, and you will see forex traders posing next to lavish cars like Audi TT, GLE, Porsche cars, and even Harrier, which maybe belongs to Mama. They will also show you videos of them sipping champagne on yachts, flashing bundles of cash, and caption like, "I made this in one trade." The illusion is powerful. Who doesn't want to live that life? This is where the illusion cashes in. Once you are hooked by the lifestyle flex, the mentors come in to sell you a way to get it. Here is how scam usually runs. Step 1. Flashy lifestyle. Show you cars, trips, or 6-figure trading setup. Step 2. Build trust. Post fake winning trades, screenshots of profits, easily photoshopped, all done on the demo accounts. Step 3. Sell the dream. Offer mentorship programs, signal groups, or secret strategies that cost you anywhere from as low as $100 to several $1,000. Step 4. Disappear or recycle. Once enough money people buy, the mentor either disappears, keeps selling new courses, or blames students for not being disciplined. What happens next? It creates a vicious circle. Newbies see this flashy lifestyle, get hooked, and hand over money for signal or mentorship. When they inevitably fail, they blame themselves, not realizing the game was rigged. The illusion keeps spinning while the average trader drowns in losses. The truth: if someone was really making millions from forex, they wouldn't need to sell $200 signal packages. Most mentors make their income from selling education, not from trading itself. Their goal isn't to make you successful. It's to make you keep paying. But peel back the curtain and you'll find smoke and mirrors. Many so-called traders don't make consistent profit from the markets. Instead, they survive by selling courses, charging for mentorship, or running signal groups. The real business is not trading, it's selling the dream of trading. Isolation and obsession. How does this affect you? Trading sounds free, work from anywhere, but the reality, it's not isolating. Picture this: hours upon hours spent glued to screens, obsessing over candlesticks, waiting for that perfect entry, friends calling you to hang out, but you decline. Family wants your time, but you are too busy analyzing charts. At first, it feels like dedication, but slowly, it becomes obsession. You cut off relationships, neglect health, and miss out on life events because you are chasing that next trade. Some traders admit that Forex made them lonelier than even before. A silent addiction nobody around them understood. Instead of financial freedom, you end up chained to your laptop, watching numbers rise and fall. The very thing that promised escape becomes a trap. Perhaps the harshest reality is this: the Forex market is not fair. It is dominated by massive banks, hedge funds, and institutions with access to advanced technology. Or maybe insiders' knowledge and billions in capital. Every day, people trading from laptops are like small fish in an ocean full of sharks. Slippage, spread manipulation, and stop hunting are real. Brokers and market makers have more control than they admit. Big players move billions and trigger stop losses designed to wipe out retail traders. In other words, the game isn't designed for you to win. It is designed for you to participate, lose consistently, and keep feeding the system. The human cost. The darkest side of Forex isn't just numbers or charts. It is the human cost. Countless stories exist of traders who lost their homes, marriages, and mental health because of Forex. Families have been broken apart by someone chasing the dream of just one big win. There are stories of people selling properties, cars, or borrowing from friends to fund trading accounts, only to lose it all within weeks or seconds. The shame that follows is crushing. Many retreat into silence, embarrassed to admit what happened. Whatever happens in this case is these Forex traders that you're seeing, someone might sell a land to have a lavish life. Someone might take a loan, or someone might be funded. But because you don't know that, you think it's Forex that is giving them money. The bottom line. So, is Forex evil? No. The market itself is just a system of exchanging currencies, but the way it is marketed and the mindset of those entering creates a dark underworld of broken dreams and empty bank accounts. Forex trading demands discipline, patience, and risk management. It's not for everyone. And if you dive in chasing fast money, it will chew you up and spit you out. The darkest side is real. Sleepless nights, mental breakdowns, addictive behaviors, scams and lies, profit and losses. But knowing the risk is the first step. If you still choose to trade, do it with your eyes wide open. Not every glittering chart leads to gold. Sometimes it leads to ashes. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share